Hello friends, in this video we will see the law of contract as has been stated by Kautilya. Requirements of valid contract: done at suitable place, done at suitable time, done before witnesses, purpose written in detail, all terms properly noted down. Following are invalid contracts: done without informing anybody in a house, done at night, done in a forest, done with fraudulent intention, done secretly. So friends, the moment we read all this, we actually feel that we are reading the Indian Contract Act, which says that what are the requirements of valid contract, in which situation a contract is not valid. So these are identical provisions of Indian Contract Act which have prevailed at the time of Kautilya. Let us see what more is there in this particular law. When there are multiple agreements in respect of a particular subject, in such circumstances, agreement done at the last would be considered as valid. In following circumstances, contract can be revoked: time limit mentioned in contract, goods are defective, possibility that goods would be seized by king, goods are stolen by thieves, goods destroyed by fire, goods destroyed by floods, contract done under duress, contract done under distress. So I think today also we have the same logic, and what we generally plead in our agreements we do is all that which is agreed prior to this agreement is hereby superseded by this particular agreement. Generally we have a clause to this kind of effect. I think this is what has been said by Kautilya, that the last done would be considered as valid. And as far as the circumstances of contract are concerned of revoking, if you see, some of them are of force majeure and some are time limit mentioned in contract. Now we always say time is the essence of contract whenever we make a contract. So friends, once again it is very clear that the Contract Act which we have today was identically present in that time, and somewhere the roots of our present Contract Act also lie in the ancient laws which are there. So this was the law of contract which we have discussed. In our next video, we will discuss labor laws as stated by Kautilya. Thank you.